Hi, welcome to part 2 of my gazebo build. In this video, we're going to create the layout so we can establish where the foundation goes so we can start building the floor. I wanted a gazebo that was at least 12 feet, so what I went with was 147 inches, which is 12 foot 3. With that, it allows me to have 8 sides that are greater than 5 feet. For the foundation layout, I created a square out of 2x6 material. It was 147 inches, and then I did a 45-degree angle on all the 4 corners to create 8 equal sides that are greater than 5 feet. Foundation layout. I went with a diagonal width of 147 inches. Common run equals 73.5 inches. That's half of 147. Length of side equals common run times 0.828. That will give us a length of side of 60.858 inches. That is approximately 60 7/8 inches. With this formula, we'll measure from each corner of the square 43 1/16 to determine each side of the octagon. In the end, we'll end up with 8 sides at 60 7/8 inches. What I did is I bought these blocks from my local lumber yard, and then what I did is I used deck blocks that sat on top. Every corner is level with each other. I used 2 of the flat blocks so the floor joists can meet in the center of the gazebo. In this picture, you can see the deck block is set at 22.5 degrees to the frame to determine where the foundation goes. The black material that you see in the picture, I picked up for free at the local lumberyard. It's used to cover lumber that's being delivered to the stores. What it is, I also poked holes in it for drainage. I picked up screenings from a local landscaper. Each deck block is level with the center block. The reason I went with cement blocks for the foundation is because the sod is very thin on my property and below is solid clay and rock. This is the material I picked up for free from my local lumberyard. In part 3, we're going to set the posts and then build the floor.